Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jeff the Tech Blazer coming at you today with my unboxing of the PlayStation 5. I was able to finally get my hands on it. I am pretty excited about this one. This thing is actually quite heavy, won't lie. This is the version with the disc drive in it, the Blu-ray player drive. Retails for like $500 or $4.99, whatever. Very excited about it. Can't wait to get it open, transfer everything from my PlayStation 4 over to it. So let's get this one open. Alright, so first off, really quickly, I just want to say sorry about this. Not the typical unboxing setup. I don't really have a good setup for unboxing something quite this large, but I got two tiny tables smushed together, and we're gonna see what we can do with this one. This would take up the entire white table that you guys have seen in my videos before, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see what we can do with our two tiny smushed together tables and this giant box. Alright, so we got the PlayStation 5 right here. Comes in at $4.99 for the disc version of it. I think you can get it for $3.99 for the one that is just digital. This has 825 gigabytes worth of storage on it. HDMI 2.1 for this one. Oh no. Oh, we got some damage here. Oh, that's sad to see. But you can do 4K gaming at 120 frames per second. I don't know if you can actually get this thing to do 8K, but then again, I doubt anybody has an 8K TV or monitor or anything. But let's crack into this guy. We're keeping the giant knife away from the PlayStation 5. Alright, inside that beautiful PlayStation 5 packaging is more white packaging, but we got it open. If anything falls out of this box, I'm going to be so upset. So in here we've got our quick start guide, which is pretty beefy. I'm used to just ones with cell phones, so comes in at a pretty good size. It's gonna have all your information in it. I believe this is the stand for it, since the PlayStation 5 is so big. Alright, yep, so that's the stand for it. You can have it vertical or horizontal. It's the HDMI cable right here. Power cable. Alright. This is the new controller that we've heard so much about. Looks pretty nice. Feels pretty nice. It's definitely different, but it's nice, feels quality. Check out the back of it. USB-C on that one. Alright. USB-C charging cable for it. Apparently, I had the wrong side of that box facing up because this one has a nice PlayStation symbol that we completely missed, but that's okay. Alright. Let's check this guy out. Ooh! If you were wondering if the PlayStation 5 is extremely heavy, it is. Got the back of it right there with all your inputs and all your heating vents. And there it, sorry, trying to get it all in the frame there. There it is in all of its popped collar looking glory. It is huge. Huge, hefty. Feels like it's built well. Definitely feels like plastic, but it feels like it's built well. So you might not be able to tell, but the PlayStation symbol right there actually has, it's a cutout. You can actually put your finger in there. But this is enormous. I'm going to get it all set up now, and I'll see you guys in a minute. When I say this thing is huge, I do mean that it is actually enormous. That's my 27-inch Razer Raptor monitor behind it, and it is not a small monitor. And that's with the stand raised with it a little bit, and even with that, the PlayStation 5 is enormous in front of it. Just to give you one more really good size comparison, I never considered the PlayStation 4 or the PlayStation 4 Pro to be a small console by any means, and this thing literally towers over it. But it's pretty, as much as it's a weird design, it's pretty cool looking. It's definitely cooler looking than that. I like it. I'm happy I got it. It's pretty cool. Alright, so you might be thinking, Jeff, your hair looks different. You got a Baby Yoda. Got some different lights in the background. Christmas happened right in the middle, not right in the middle, but while I was filming the PlayStation 5 unboxing attempt, really. Wasn't the greatest, but I tried. So that's why things look a little bit different on the outro. But that has been my unboxing of the PlayStation 5 and the DualSense, I believe is what it's called. I'm still getting used to it. Controller. If you guys want to see more video game content, I'd love to review this thing, maybe get some gameplay footage for you guys of some of the new PlayStation 5 games that are out. But if you enjoyed this one, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.